Beast Daquan and Lucky Landon, and we're gonna take this microwave to the dumpster. Take this microwave to the dumpster. Let's go. And we're probably going to destroy it. But until then, Beast Daquan and Jason. Not allowed to show his head. I didn't have permission. Come on, Andrew. That's Andrew over there. And if you don't know Andrew, go check out his page. He has a YouTube channel. Go check that out. Like all the videos, subscribe. And you know, I put this thing right down behind there. Alright. Now, who wants to be the cameraman? Daquan, be the cameraman. This thing up so I can actually throw it in the dumpster.
Beast Daquan right here.
Watch out, you hold the microwave. Hold the microwave? Yeah, hold it. Alright, you got it. Come around this way, Daquan. Come around this way, bro. Look at this crap.
Look at this.
Now let me see this.
Hey, just ripped the door off.
Please rip the door off of this. Alright, that's one down. Don't do it yet. One down.
There's one down.
That lid's on top, not open.
Yes, it is.
We just opened it last night. Alright, so that's the dismantled microwave. Who wants to break it some more? Can we break it some more?
This.
Can we break it more? Stand on this. Wait, maybe we can break this piece off right here where Daquan is standing. That piece right there, look, where it's attached. We can rip that off. We can rip that out. Daquan, stomp it to death. Jesus Christ. Look at this. Come on, Andrew. If you want to get some subscribers, you better come over here. We're going to rip this crap off. Alright, don't make too much noise. They're going to get mad at us. Hold on, let me stomp it one time. There we go. Oh, curb stomp. I guess Andrew don't want to be in the video, but that's good. Oh yeah, Daquan got it. Daquan got that. Oh yeah, here we go. You got it.
Alright, stop. Let's take this somewhere else because that lady that's talking to you just came out the door. She might call the cops.
We're just destroying a microwave.
Yeah, but it's a loud noise.
Not too loud, Daquan.
Let's go take it somewhere. Let's go take it over there.
Beast Daquan's about to rip this off because that's why we call him Beast, because he rips crap and breaks stuff a lot.
Hey, Daquan, let's take it over there. Take it over there.
No, not too. Come on, we can get this. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Let me see that crap.
There we go.
All right, we are dismantling this microwave. Well, they are, but.
Hold on.
All right. Oh yeah, look at them wires. Look at the buttons. Let Lucky Lenny get some of this. Let me get some of this. Let me get some of this microwave. Daquan knows I want to. Oh, nice. Hold this, Daquan.
Yeah. Lucky Lenny here getting some of this microwave. Okay, dude, stop being so loud. Let's take it somewhere else.
You take somewhere else? Alright, let's do this.
Daquan, wait. Let's take it over there.
There's Beast Andrew coming.
No.
You want to be in the video?
Andrew,
Come on. Get in the video, bro.